Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversations. I'm July, and today we're starting a new lesson on how to break the ice on your first day of class. That's right, July. Meeting new classmates can feel a bit nerve-wracking, but simple questions make it so easy. Let's listen in. Excuse me, is anyone sitting here? Oh no, it's free. Go ahead and sit down. Thanks. I'm July, by the way. It's my first day in this class. Nice to meet you, July. I'm Anna. It's my first day here, too. Oh, really? That makes me feel so much better. Are you taking this class for work or for fun? Mostly for work, but I really enjoy learning languages, too. What about you? Same here. I want to improve my speaking skills. Where are you from, Anna? I'm from Canada. How about you? I live here in the city, too. Awesome. Looks like the teacher is about to start. Let's talk more after class. Sounds great, Anna. How do you usually introduce yourself on your first day of class? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English dialogues. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye!